Try to find it.
Are you in your belly button?
No.
Where do you have it?
Try to go inside.
It's usually right above the... Yeah, Marsha found it for me. I heard it, that little...
I heard it too.
Hit away. Yeah. Run!
You can hear it a little bit and then it goes away.
Just let me know if I'm hurting you.
Right there.
Sometimes they pick up your heartbeat.
Yeah, that sounded like her heartbeat, because the baby's heartbeat goes...
Baby's heartbeat is really,
Try to
really
move back
fast.
a little bit, Laura.
Should have put her in this seat.
Just lay on the floor.
Here we are.
There. Is that it?
How far along?
13 weeks.
We'll find it.
No. Uh-oh. Almost had it.
You can just barely hear it.
Oh,
Yeah.
You hear it?
really soft. So you get it and then it goes
You
away.
hear it? You hear it?
Yeah.
It's like, get that thing away from me.
Quit poking me. Another week or so and then we'll get better.
Yeah.
The doctor was saying. Did the doctor find it? No. Another week or so probably. No, I'll just pile in the office now. I just feel fluttered.
Really?
Yeah.
Say, piss off, leave me
Yeah.
alone.
Run away.